Alright, look, it's a boring day. I'm not working today. Let's cook. Don't ask me why my mic is here, okay? I want to cook tomato sauce. Is that how they call it? Anyway, you see, I'm going to use cow skin. We call it kanda. Cameroon, we call it kanda. And cow ear. So we're going to have that. I think it's just cow skin eventually. But I have one big ear that I'm going to use. So let's cook. Let's cook. I want to cook this. All right. See that? Perfect. Here. We got more. I don't want to make a lot of stew, just a little bit. All right. Let's cut this dude. Let's cut this dude. You're gonna be here. I'm gonna cut you. I already washed it yesterday, so we're good to go. See this ear? I need this in my pot ASAP. Now you're good. Yeah, we're ready. Good. I'm not the best cook in the world, but since I'm learning how to use my new camera, just want to record myself cooking today. So we got fresh tomatoes. You know what this is? I'll show you guys in a little bit. So I want to make stew, or how they call it. Is this sauce or stew? With fresh tomato. With a big ass onion, garlic, ginger. Where's ginger? I have ginger here. So we gotta prep all this stuff, man. Like, might get there at a lot. Oh, this is for later, so let's get it cracking. Next. Garlic and ginger ready, so I'm gonna add this pepper in it. Blend. I gotta blend all this motherfucker. I wanna cook some sauce. Help my life. See, now because I don't like to make stew or even soup without having some green or veggies in it, I'll be using spinach, if that's how they call it, spinach. And I do also have, I got carrot too, so I'm just gonna prep them all, then you guys will only see after that. Spinach. Watch it. This spinach is just gonna be my vegetable in this stew. The green pepper, the onion, and the garlic. So I'm gonna have to blend these. I will blend these. See that meat's in the pot already? This is the blended, spices. Let's put some Maggi cubes. Oh shit, one fell in. Maggi cubes. Put some salt. Trust me. Just gonna close that and let it boil. Oh no. Pepper. Let's do pepper. This pepper come out. prepared from Cameroon, man. It's not ordinary. This is straight from home. This straight from home. It's hard to open this without sneezing, so always mess me up. Just put in pepper, a lot of pepper, not small because I want it hot, really hot. Go. So we're gonna let this boil. This knife needs to be sharp, man. This knife is terrible right now. That's just that this knife is not good. Chop it roughly, all right? We got onion. I'm just gonna put the onions in right now because I want that. We got the carrots. This one's gonna go later. I'm gonna prepare the fresh tomatoes. Then I go wash my clothes. Wait for this meat to get ready. This is all I'm gonna do with these tomatoes. I'm not gonna do a lot. I don't want to blend it. I just want it chopped little pieces. So when I'm eating it, and I'm still gonna add a little bit of, can or tin tomato as well. Is that how they call it? Yeah. So this time I'm gonna chop all of them. Tomatoes ready, fresh tomato. I might have added extra onions. So right now, I'm gonna check the meat and add some spice to it. Boiling 101. All right. So come here. I need to take some spice, man. Y'all don't know what this is. You know what this? You know this? But you're gonna know the other ones, of course. This is just ginger, garlic, some extra. But these two, I don't even know how to call it in English, but trust me, it's fire. So let's do it. This. Yeah. Still have a long time though. I'm gonna add some more. This is black pepper. Put a little bit of it, not a lot. Then I'll add some more ginger. Ginger right here. I don't think that ginger was enough. Alright, let's go. So this chop now. Going for restaurant, no city level. Best shit. Need to warm oil here, but I forgot one thing though. I actually blended crayfish, put it in, but I forgot to record it, so I'm not gonna be able to show you guys that one. Let's try it out. So far, what do we have? Look, fire. Show you real shit. Woohoo! Okay, dope. Oh no, don't play, man. You cost me money. One more, my good cook. Whew. We are getting ready. That salt is not enough, so I need a little bit of salt. Okay, don't mind. Let's go. And some more onions, a lot. We're gonna let it boil. Then we let it boil. Pepe, oh Pepe. Alright. Meat is ready. Fire. I'm gonna swap these. Because the meat is ready. show you all the meat. Ready. I'm gonna add these tomatoes. Add this tomato in it because I want it to be big. Carrots. What's this? It's a camera. Never seen this camera before. Nice. The last time was Clovis tried to fix it. We told him something very bad. Clovis, not Prince. Prince barely participates stuff like that. You know? Prince tried to fix it? Yeah. I didn't know that. I did not know that. For real. I want to put a little bit, just a little bit of spinach in it because I like to see vegetables in my food, man. I don't like to just have food. I like a little bit of vegetable. That's why. It's no big reason you don't have to put this anyway. It's my recipe, so who gives a shit? And this is how I like it. I like when I can see a little bit of veggies in my stew. Dope. Now there's rice. I'm not the one that boiled it. Someone else did. We got rice already. Well, I'm gonna eat. That's what happens when you cook. So I'm done. Glad you guys watched the video. Close my butt. Hold on. If only you guys can taste this. Amazing. See you guys in the next video.